What's up, guys? This is Exploring Atlas here with Michael. Today we're out here in the bay, in the marsh. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Woo! Woo! That looks like a gator alley. That's what they do, they lay that grass down like that. I wonder if you can go gator hunting down here. I guess if you got a permit. Huh?
Probably want a fan boat.
Yeah. Is it? Alright guys, my camera's all fogged up. It's been raining. And now we're hiking through the marsh. We're gonna see if we can find out where these two offshoots connect. Okay, we found it. Pardon my sunflower seeds.
Give me a push.
Oh shoot.
Oh, no, here we go.
Awesome. All right.
Oh shit. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, looks like
Dead end.
well.
All right. Still all fogged up. Gotta pull through the grass. No idea where we are. And Michael, you said we're not even on the map, right?
No, we are not.
Oh, we are now?